Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to fix Elementor container content width issue. If you've noticed that your content isn't spanning the full width of your page or looks cramped, this quick fix will help you adjust those settings and get your layout looking exactly the way you want it. Let's start by heading over to your WordPress website's admin dashboard. You'll need to log in with your credentials to access the back end of your site. Once you're in, you'll see the main dashboard where all your site management tools are located. Now navigate to Pages on the left sidebar and select All Pages. This will display a complete list of all the pages currently on your website. Scroll down through this list and look for the specific page you want to edit. Once you've found it, click on Edit with Elementor. This will open up the Elementor Editor interface, which is where you'll make all your design adjustments with the Elementor Editor. Now open, it's time to identify the problem. Click directly on the container that's causing the content width issue to select it. If you're having trouble selecting it by clicking, you can also click on the 6 dotted icon, which appears when you hover over elements. This icon gives you more precise control over selecting and editing specific containers. Once the container is selected, look over to the left panel. Here you'll find various tabs for customizing your element. Go to the Layout tab. This is where all the width and spacing settings are controlled, and it's exactly what we need to fix this issue. In the Layout tab, find the setting labeled Width and set it to full width. This ensures that the container itself spans the entire available space on your page. But we're not done yet. There's another setting we need to adjust to make sure the content inside also expands properly. Next, locate the content width setting just below. Set this to full width as well. Alternatively, if you want more control over exactly how wide your content should be, you can adjust the slider or enter a specific percentage. For example, setting it to 100% will make your content fill the entire container. This flexibility allows you to fine-tune the layout to match your specific design needs. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the Elementor container content width issue. Your content should now display at the proper width, giving your page a more professional and polished appearance. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.